Yot mas lindot gyud ang aniduro tay. Oto tay kapro asa mga gantay aniduro ko ato kasawanan makahuga na siya sa to kalibutan.
Yot nga nag-viral nga sa CR.
Well, for me, my reaction about that is dili sila kabuot kay we can't agree about that happen because we has a own gender. That's what we call LGBT. So if gusto sila nga i-separate mi nga sa CR, so they should be implement about comfort room of us. They are separated at liho ko na sa government or sa president para ma-separated na para dili ma-accord ang atong mga men. Thank you.
O sa sekreto ni mo karong gabiuna nga maanyag man ka?
Ang akong sekreto karong gabiuna, anchok sa tiki-tiki.
What is your reaction? Si Boto na magmahibawan eh mong boyfriend parihaday ni mo.
Okay, for me ladies and gentlemen, kung may bawaan na ako, wala akong reaction kung may bawaan na ako nga akong uyab, parihasan na ako nga bayot. For me, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I was shocked nga nanong nabayot siya. But since he accept me, and he loved me of who I am and what I am, well, I accept him from the bottom of my heart. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that love is all about acceptance, understanding, and most of all, respect. Thank you and good evening.
What is your reaction o gatwa barangay kapitan sa Tawason mo deklarar o mo declare ng mga bayot himon o barangay tanod? Would you order for that? Or would you like to hear that?
Okay, thank you so much for that very interesting yet very challenging question, Ms. MC. Well, honestly speaking, ladies and gentlemen, in my 20 years of existence in this world, I always believe that gender is not an issue. Whether you're a real man, a real woman, a lesbian, or a gay. For I believe that each one of us has the potential as well as the capabilities to become a public servant, such as being a barangay tanod. Ladies and gentlemen, if one day we gays will be asked to serve our community as a barangay tanod, then I will be the first gay to say yes on that, and I am going to take that opportunity as my greatest challenge. A challenge for me, ladies and gentlemen, to prove to everyone, most especially to all the people in our community who discriminate and underestimate us gays. The we gays is not a hindrance, but we can still be an asset. And finally, if that happens, ladies and gentlemen, I myself, I would be able to prove to the world that as a gay, I can still make a difference and I can also be useful in my own little ways. Good evening, everyone.
As a homosexual like you, para mong nagwapa kay ka, o kung taga-kaghigayon nga magpa-change any part of your body, asa napita o nga naman?
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. What words comes out of my mouth should be respected and never be insulted. Okay, back to the question. If I have giving a chance to change part of anybody, what would it be and why? Ladies and gentlemen, we are created by God. So, for me, I will never be changed whatever part of my body because I am very contented of who I am and what I have. And I think that will be all. Thank you.
Usa ka milagro or miracle, usa man na siya o nga naman?
Okay, thank you for the very difficult question of yours, Miss. But before I answer that very difficult question of yours, that based on the Article 1, Section 3 of the 1987 Constitution states that there's no wrong or right answer as long as you give your own opinion from the deepest heart, mind, and soul. Pertaining back to my question, kung tagaan ko usa ka milagro nga mahitabo sa akong kinabuhi,
unsa ug ngano. Well, for me, ladies and gentlemen, is to bring back the life of my two passed away brothers. Because I wanted to feel how much I love and care for them. And I wanted to fulfill the time that we didn't spend in these past few years that they can. Even though now that my family is incomplete, God is always with us. And my family is always there to give me strength and courage to face the challenge and struggles in life. And I guess that will be all. Thank you and may God bless us all.
Kung mamatay ka ugma, ngano dili man karon?
For me, ladies and gentlemen, kana pagbuot sa kaintasan kung kano sa pakunyakwaon kanong kami una. Kay anon maghatag pa kung kalingawan hinhing dapita. Kay kung mamatay na ko, wala na tayo mahimo kaya haman ang pagbuot. And I thank you.
Moto ba ka nga education the key of success?
Well, thank you so much. That's a very interesting question. Well, as we all know, ladies and gentlemen, that we Filipinos, we have different perspectives and opinions in life. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know there's a lot of people nowadays, especially the children, have lack of education because of the financial problem. But for me, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that education is very important to us because as what I've said a while ago, that education is the key to success and education is the stepping stone for our future. And ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that education is the strongest foundation of each and every powerful nation. And I believe that through education we receive light, and with that light we receive hope, and with that hope we pursue our dreams, and with those dreams we receive our wonderful tomorrow. Thank you and good evening.
What is your reaction if you found out na mahibawaan na imuha na papa, imuhang daddy, o sa kabayot like you?
For me, ladies and gentlemen, if I found out my father is a gay, still like me, for me, first I will be shocked. Second, I accept him. Because without my father, I cannot stand in this world. He teach me what is right and what is wrong. Even though, ladies and gentlemen, in this world, you can define a perfect person. Because what makes me a human is true or imperfection. Thank you and good evening.
wala na tarong ba?
Ayun, masinot ang pobre tayo. Pahanang pobre tayo. Pinang-sound, madurag na punta mga matay. Ay,
Bayot, sound yung mga matay na iko'y mulungol, gidugta. Basan, manas ba ng dato ka dahil kay mga tukang St. Peter?
ang pobre tayo, maunang gihapon. Ay kung pobre ka, asa na brandong, dato ang gihapon, huangbol, manaynik.
Bayot, isa kung saan pa dahil, kung dato ka, may utapang ka sa pobre, bayot. Mutama mga dato sa mga pobre, especially ni mo, tapos.
Ang pobre, ang dato di na mo tabang day. Ang kinhanan ng pobre, ang dato di na mo tabang. Ang pobre mo tabang na. Thank you.
Hey! Bagong laya, 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, bayot, napisod ko at least, nalaya ko bayot, nakagawas ko. At least, na ako'y kapiyansa. Ikaw, bago pa kang sure bayot, paghimo, pagsa.
Sala ako dahil kaya naman, ako gatubang mo sila kung saan na as a person, ako yung gatubang kung sala kaya naman. Nakasalamat ko dahil mo na priso ko dahil di mo ko baka ako dahil mo akong gatubang mo na priso ko. Nakagawas ka lagi kapiyansa.
Bayot, kung sa lalaan bayot, pariyata, piniliso. Bayot, pagawas ka, bugulong pagawas. Bayot ka in this world, may bukas pa. Dili pa away ang tanan.
Dili pa siya away ang tanan dahil pero napriso na ka, mas uno pa ka napriso na ko. Ako di magawa ko dahil sa power nga napriso ko, kaya nalagay ko yung sala. At least akong gatubang ang sala.
Kita kayo makasa man ka, pero buto sa lalaan at least nakagawas ko. Kaysa bago pa kayo, humot pa kayo na bayot. At least bayot ako, nakagawas.
Napriso ko dahil nakagawas ka. So ano lang di ko dahil? Di ko
Inoduro ka, ikaw kanal. Go! Bayot, mas lindot yun ang aniduro tayo. Oto-otay ka, pero asa mga gaan tayo aniduro. Kung ato kasawanan, makahuga na siya sa ito kalibutan. Bayot, di kan ka sinidoro, ato kas kanal punta. So kung wala na kay kwenta, ato ka na ako punta. Pero at least yun, mag-agi ka na ko, day. Asa man day sa metro, malibang ka, anak ka sa South, di ba anak ka mag-agi sa Baul? Pasalamat na bayot ka na Baul, day, kaya nakay tanong kasi okay, asi asa mag-agi, ako mag-agi, ang una ang kanal. Ikaw na rin bakit di ka sinidoro. May tae, kasi mag-agi sa anidoro. Kasi anidoro mag-agi sa tae, so hay na ang tae, paagi sa, ang anidoro ay paagi sa... Himplasa ka ba yun? So, hati na ka sa kanal. Ikaw tayo hugaw baka, mag-agi ka sa kalibyo, padojo ka sa pinakahugaw. Kung dili, ang anidoro may pasak sa mong lukot. Yan, saan naman eh? Bagayon na lang kanil. And number 8, the top 3. Congratulations. Our score is back to 0 and the question is a serious question na.
Which quality do you think will it take you to wear the crown?
Well, for me, ladies and gentlemen, myself. Because I believe to myself that I have a confidence, which is the confidence that is the most important while you are joining pageant. Ladies and gentlemen, always wear your confident rather, not just only in a beauty pageant. It's also used if you are going to interview, if you don't have a confidence, it can bring you down. If you did not bring your confidence in a beauty pageant, it seems like you don't know how to answer the difficult question. You don't know how to showcase the credibility and the importance being again. And I guess that will be all. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Would you die to be a martyr in your country? Why or why not? Again, would you die to be a martyr in your country? Why or why not?
Can you repeat the question please? Just slow, it's so fast.
Would you die to be a martyr in your country? Why or why not?
Thank you so much. That's a very interesting question. Would I die for a martyr for my country? Ladies and gentlemen, I believe in this world that we have a lot of challenges and failures in life. But ladies and gentlemen, would I die for martyr in the country? For me, I think yes, because there's nothing problem about in that. As long as you believe in yourself, as long as you help other people, the most important in this world is before you die, you know how to respect other people, because in the eyes of God, we made beautifully, we made respectfully, and most of all, we made as equal in the Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you.
If you're going to make a hashtag for Tawason, what do you think would it be and why?
Okay. Agoy.
Okay, for me, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for wonderful and interesting question. For me, ladies and gentlemen, I would rather call it is hashtag yugit manggugko. Sabi na sa hashtag respect tawason. Because we all know, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of barangays have a lot of discrimination. Yet, ladies and gentlemen, it's my first time to hear standing in front of you, no discriminations. And all people, tawason is all about respect. Because in this world, ladies and gentlemen, learn to speak, love, and suffer, but never love to surrender. Thank you and good evening.
Didn't even get to cross.